another before here. And very quiet engine wise, and trannies seems to be working perfectly. And let's hear that motor. So very quiet right now. It's the two-stage twin turbo. Seems like there's nothing wrong with it, except the clock is wrong because it's only 10 AM at the moment. Sounds pretty healthy. 8,000.